Boom! Just like that, we have named our Awair element sensor that's currently sitting here in our office the Fart Sniffer 3000, because why not? Nerdy dude stuff. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, all that good stuff, mostly about PlanetWatch and our Awair element miners. If this is your first time on the channel, please take a moment to consider hitting that subscribe button, turning on the bell notification as we post videos weekly and do a stream every Monday, and also like this video. But definitely, you want to turn on the bell notification because Tuesday, if I get the footage and everything edited correctly, but at the latest Wednesday, we will be doing an unboxing video of a brand new Helium miner that we are excited to get our hands on. You guys know it's the Miles site, and we're finally getting it in the mail, and we are going to be able to set that up and get a third miner built on our network. So I'm very, very excited for that. Also, at the end of that video, we will be doing a tease on the next project that we are going to be getting into. This is just getting started. We are at the ground level, and it's going to be huge. We purchased a miner for this project last night, and we are excited to have that come in. So stick around, make sure that bell notification is on, because Tuesday, you're going to get a little tiny, teeny little bit taste of what this next project will be. I'm very, very excited. Also, if you guys like this angle, my puppy knocked over my setup, so this is a quick setup I could just throw back together because my little tripod, I'm having issues with the stand, so I'm gonna get a new one. Let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, we're gonna switch it back to the old angle. But other than that, today's video, we're gonna be talking about correctly naming and putting the address for our Awair elements into the Explorer, because as of up until now, we have all been using that French address to kind of overcome a GPS error, and now they have finally fixed that. So I'm gonna go over with you guys exactly how to do that. It's really, really simple, and it's really, really efficient for someone like me and someone like most of you guys, which I'm assuming you purchase multiple units and you want to differentiate between them other than just their little 6-digit number character, as that can get confusing. And with them all basically being at that French address. So we're going to go over that today. Really easy process, and let's just jump right to it. So the whole market has kind of taken a dump, but luckily Planet really hasn't taken a big hit on its price. It's currently sitting at 36 cents, which isn't too bad. We now have 313 million planets sitting in the recycle bin. So when they get their stuff in order, when they get all the streams being sent out and being paid for, we still have plenty of helium. Oh my gosh, helium on the brain. We still have plenty of planets sitting in that recycle bin to make sure we all get 23 planet a day as promised for these devices. I can see that lasting a while. I think right now they're forecasting about 800,000 planet are being paid out daily. Actually, let's take a look at what the numbers would be. So if we have 22,057 miners that are up times 23, so right now they're only putting out about 507,000 planets a day to the Type 4 sensor. So that's not bad with saturation. So if we take 313,120,000 and we divide that by what was it, 505,700, we are looking at over a year of these sensors getting 23 a day. So 619 days at current sensor count, 619 days before that recycling bin is clear and we're getting maximum rewards. So this is still a phenomenal project to jump into. Now, you guys all have your miners and I have my miner. We know it's a sensor, so we all initially set these up with a GPS error and we put them on a French address, and we want to make sure now we can put them under our correct address, because when they eliminate that quick fix in the French address, these sensors are going to get the rewards like dwarves and rewards. They're going to get the rewards cut in a fraction based on how many other people are at that French address. So we want to make sure we get our correct address in there, and we want to get them named. So all you need to do is log into the Explorer. You go to planetwatch.io or planetwatch.us. Up in the top part, there is PlanetWatch Explorer. You go into that, or you just go to explorer.planetwatch.io, whatever. I don't care. You go up into the top right here. You sign into your account, and you go to My Sensors. Here inside my sensors, as you can see, I've got 4 of them total, and I've already renamed my one Fart Sniffer 3000, which is here in my home office, and then I've got one at Mac's Garage, which is over at my in-laws' house. Of course, they're from New Hampshire, and they got the accent, so that's why it's Mac's Garage. His name's Mark. I have not changed the address on these miners just yet, just for the sake that I'm lazy and don't really want to put a graphic up over this image and go back and edit and cut and blah, 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 but I will show you how to change that address if this is your first time doing it, and to change the nickname. But first, we are drinking a beer. Let's find out what that is, shall we? For those of you keeping track at home, today's beer of the day is called Void Shaker by Funky Buddha. This is a limited series of a barrel-aged stout with natural vanilla flavors. This is 11% alcohol by volume, and it says here that the barrels were provided by High West Distillery out of Park City, Utah. This is quite a delicious barrel-aged stout. Very, very chocolatey. It tastes like I'm drinking Hershey syrup, just slightly less thick, with a back flavoring of vanilla on the end. You know me, I'm more of an IPA guy, but I do really enjoy this, so this is probably a 9.5 out of 10. This is up there with Dragon's Milk, and cheers to you guys. Bink, cheers to you. So let's get to it, shall we? Actually, new drinking game. Every time I say shall we, take a drink. All right, so here's what you do. Once you're inside the Explorer and you go up to My Sensors in the top right corner, pick out one of your miners. Make sure you pick out the correct one that you want to name. For example, I do have Fart Sniffer 3000, which is this little bad boy over here, and then I have Max Garage. Now, the next thing I have to do is I have my brother's house and I have my close family friend's house, and I'm not sure which one these are. Luckily, because I'm smart and I made a big brain play, and because these are two Awair sensors that I'm actually paying 25% out to be hosted, I created a Google spreadsheet where I'm tracking how much they're earning each day, well, actually really each week, and how much I've already paid out to make sure they're 25%, and I labeled them over here so I could tell which one is my brother's and which one is my close family friend. So if we're going to go to my brother's, we put that in his 420 friendly smoking room, and we are going to label that as such. So we are looking for Awair 25637, and is it this one? Nope, that's 33184, so that is at our close family friend's house, and we're going to go here. Is it Awair 25637? It is Awair 25637. Boom, that's at my brother's house in his smoking room. So we are going to change this to Smoker Bros. Let's do Smoker Bros. How about that? Smoker Bros. So that way we know that's my brother's. Now, I zipped right through that. So what exactly did I do? I'll show you. We went here up to custom name. We selected our miner, and then we went up here into the custom name, and we have the little pen device right here, and we clicked it, and then we went into this little tab right here, and we typed in Smoker Bros. Now, if you guys are poker players, you do know that there's an app called Poker Bros, so it's kind of a little pun there. Haha. Anywho, Smoker Bros. That's that one. We're going to do that again. Now, this one is at our personal friend. Personal, of course he's a personal friend. He wouldn't be like a YouTube. Well, I mean, I guess. Well, now I'm off on a tangent. So he's a close family friend. So we are going to rename this one Timma, based off of South Park, shall we? So again, we selected our miner. It's really a sensor. We went over here to custom name, clicked on the blue pen, and we went to name that Timma. And then we hit the green check mark. Bada bang, bada boom, we've got them named, and now we're no longer confused on which one is which. Now, if you want to change the address, and I'm not going to change the address at the moment because A, I'm, again, lazy and don't want to put a graphic up over the screen and block out things, but you do need to change the address for them here, and I would recommend doing that as soon as possible, which now makes me realize that any future video I do, I'm going to have to put a graphics up over the addresses, which I have to really note to self, make sure you edit appropriately. Good thing I don't pay an editor yet, and it's all just me. So I'll try to remember that. But I do drink a lot, so I don't know. Anywho, what you do is you change the address. You've seen this before, and I'm sure you've done this if you're already starting to get rewards. But right now we've got the French address. Maybe we should all write them a lovely letter saying, thank you very much for letting us use your address. Send them gift baskets, send them flowers, send them chocolates, send them beer, send me a beer. Anywho, we are going to hit update location. And we are not actually going to do it, but up here in the search bar, you're going to type in the address of where your sensor actually is, and then you're going to hit update location from there. And it's very important you do that because at any moment when they decide to eliminate this quick fix, all of those Awair element sensors, even though we're all on separate Wi-Fi networks that are there, are potentially going to be getting a fraction of the rewards based on how many sensors are there. If there's 23 sensors that are still listed there, then each sensor is going to get one reward. Very, very, very important that you change that address, okay? Last but not least, we have to throw a shameless plug in today for our sponsor, which is me. Click on the link below if you guys want to get a cool t-shirt that I have designed. We have our Shut Up Copper, which is going to be coming off the shelves at the end of December in honor of our late family dog. We have our good old Nerdy Dude Stuff giant logo, good old Nerdy Dude Stuff little smaller logo, and our Let's Go Bitcoin design, which you can buy hats, t-shirts, stickers, and all that good stuff for, and also our retro logo. Link in the below. Love and support. Definitely appreciated. Buy a t-shirt. Hopefully I could see you guys out with one in the future. Anywho, that's going to do it for me today, guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me in the Discord, Telegram, or Twitter. Links for that is in the description of this video, preferably on Discord. Twitter is okay as well, but I will be happy to assist, and so will the community also. Again, let me know in the comments if you like this angle. I don't know if I do, just because there's not a lot of fun stuff behind me like there was. I've got my Shenron that I really want to put back, but let me know in the comments below what you think. Otherwise, we'll just get another tripod and we'll put it up and make sure that you guys, can see me from that other angle as well. Last but not least, again, I can't express the excitement that I have for Tuesday's video. We are unboxing a Miles site and we are teasing the next plug and play at-home mining that you will be able to get into. And the good news with this tease, I'm going to tease a little bit more. You can have more than one per household. This isn't a sensor like Awair Element where it wants different environments. This isn't a providing coverage like Helium. This is something new where you can have multiple in one household. I'm very excited for this, so make sure you stay tuned, you click the bell notification, you follow us, because Tuesday or Wednesday's video will have a tease, and if you guys are smart and clever, you might be able to figure out what it is, so stay tuned for that. Otherwise, like, comment, subscribe, turn on the bell notification, all that good stuff. I'm O'Prius, and we'll see you guys next time.